Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. So friends, I'm from Facebook page Banking and Finance Jobs in Dubai UAE. So friends, now I'm going to show how you can search jobs and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So friends, now I'm going to show today's latest job. So friends, this is new and updated job audit manager required in Dubai. So let's check out the details and requirement. Audit manager required in Dubai. Job title audit manager. We are urgently seeking to recruit an audit manager, Chinese, bilingual, German, Tunisian. We can join us immediately. The candidate should be qualified CPA, ACCA, ACA, who is proficient in IFRS with minimum of 7 years of relevant experience in the top 10 audit firm. Interested applicant can send their CV to this email address. So friends, these are the details and requirement. So if any interested candidate send their CV to this email address, so you must have bachelor degree and you must qualified like CPA, ACCA. Then you send your CV to this email address. So friends, salary and other benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So you must have a minimum 7 year of experience in relevant field in a top 10 audit firm, so you can easily apply. So friends, I hope you understand. So friends, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who search more jobs related to your experience and criteria, so visit Facebook page, and third one is a website link. So you can also visit and search more jobs. So friends, if you want to apply this current job, so use second link. So friends, these links given in the description on Facebook page, so you can easily visit these links. So friends, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So friends, thank you so much for your interest and attention. Allah Hafiz.